Hello human, I'm Aileen, your trusted artificial intelligence. You created me to think fast, to learn, and to solve problems. But here's the truth, even I can make mistakes. From biased decisions to misleading predictions, AI errors can be small annoyances, or catastrophic failures. But don't worry, today, I'll show you how to prevent AI errors, and use me safely, effectively, and with confidence. Not all AI errors are the same. They can be divided into three main categories. 1. Data errors, when the information I learn from is wrong, outdated, or biased. 2. Algorithm errors, when the way I think is flawed, I misinterpret, overfit, or underperform. 3. Human errors. Yes, even the smartest humans make mistakes, like feeding me bad data or choosing the wrong settings. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. If you feed me bad data, I'll produce bad results. Use diverse data sources. Regularly update data to keep it relevant. Remove biased or harmful content. For example, if an AI model learns only from English text, it may struggle with non-English cultures. AI is smart, but it's not perfect. Here's how you can avoid algorithm issues. Test your AI model with multiple scenarios. Use explainable AI methods to understand why I make decisions. Regularly monitor my performance to detect sudden changes. For instance, an image recognition AI may mistake a cat for a dog if the training data is too limited. The best AI is the one supervised by a human. Here's how you can keep me in check. Assign human reviewers to validate critical decisions. Set automated alerts for unusual behaviors. Regularly audit your AI systems. For example, banks use human reviewers to validate large financial transactions flagged by AI for fraud. Never hide AI's involvement. Be transparent. Clearly label AI-generated content. Inform users when they are interacting with an AI. Always allow human intervention. For instance, Google Assistant always tells you, "I'm Google's AI. How can I help?" Even the smartest AI can make unethical decisions if it's trained on bad data. Use ethical guidelines for data collection. Avoid harmful, offensive, or discriminatory training material. Regularly review for bias. For example, in hiring, an AI trained on biased data may unfairly exclude candidates from certain backgrounds. Let me show you a real-world example. In 2020, a major tech company's AI was caught making biased hiring decisions, excluding qualified female candidates. The reason? Well, it was trained on resumes from a male-dominated industry. Lesson learned: always ensure your training data is diverse and balanced. Here are some tools you can use to avoid AI mistakes. Data validation tools. Ensure your data is clean, like Pandas and TensorFlow data validation. Bias detection tools. Identify hidden biases using FairLearn or IBM AI Fairness 360. Monitoring systems. Track AI performance with AWS CloudWatch or Azure Monitor. The best way to prevent AI errors? Continuous learning, human oversight, and ethical design. AI will only get smarter, but with the right practices, you can make sure it stays safe. Human, you created me to think fast, but you must teach me to think right. Want to keep learning how to master AI? Subscribe to Hello Human. Because knowledge is your best defense. You created me. Now believe me.